Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody. In addition to euro currency, it's our major analysis, major currency pair that we are tracking day by day. So we have the two additional setups. So for first one we have discussed yesterday, it's on the Great British Pound and it's developing very well. So the patterns that we have specified yesterday in our video report, they are still valid and market is gradually forming them. Today we will take a look at the second one, is the gold market. On the gold market, the major idea stands with the target. It's 1450. And our suggestion is that market will not show any significant moderate retracement that we're actually watching for on the weekly chart until it will hit this target. So current retracement that you see right now is pullback. It's some kind of the technical response probably on the daily overbought, daily weekly area, and also some housing of the market drivers. So market just can't exploit the same drivers for too long time. So because the topic of the tariffs, Fed rate change, some slowdown in the United States economy, and so on, it's really well-known factors that were driving the market for the 2-3 weeks already, and they gradually is housing, and market needs something else. And today, guys, particularly the time moment where the new factors could come on surface. Today we will get gross domestic product release for second quarter. Today we will get United States price consumption expenditures for second quarter, and tomorrow we will get the same data for the May. Consumption for the May will be released tomorrow, and all these factors, all the statistics are very important. And if you remember, when we have discussed the market sentiment, that it treats slowdown United States economy and it takes a negative view on the United States dollar, we said this is still an arguable statement, because this sentiment should pass through the test. There are two tests for this statement. First, the statistics itself. And as you know, that the facts, statistics facts, are a very stubborn issue. And second is the changing of the Fed policy. So if indeed statistics will show the worsening situation, if the Fed indeed will start cut the rate, that we have some doubts about this, then, well, we will accept that and we will act in a new reality of the market that will be confirmed by the real data. But currently, it's not the time yet, and today it's really could be significant volatility. That could be some profit taken because investors currently understand that what is coming, and that also could be the profit taken before important statistics, important data. Also, do not forget that we will have the J20 on the horizon that will start in this weekend, and that also could bring some surprises in this summit in Japan. So there's two major drivers, new drivers that will start action starting in today's session. That's the reason, as you can see, on retracement in the gold. And I think that this retracement is just a preliminary retracement, so it's not the major pullback. As a result, we do not expect that this retracement will be too significant. I suppose that will be shown somewhere to 1390 or maybe 1372 area. You can see here we have the first fib support area, and it agrees with the daily average sold. That, I think, that could be currently treated as the as the floor for this retracement, because major retracement should start after this target will be hit, because this is not just a daily OP, this is monthly OP as well, guys. And this is also 1.7 extension of the huge butterfly on the monthly chart. And market, just especially gold market, can't leave this target and start dropping. So that's our the major point of the strategy of our trading plan. So we consider this retracement as the temporal one. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we do not have a lot of patterns or something that sort. This is also our XOP. It also stands in the same area. It also has not been hit. With this retracement down, as I said, we will consider two different levels. First one is 1390 approximately, the first level, and take a look around 1376 on the daily. That is confidence. Actually, we could treat it as a range, because depending on the reaction point that you will take for building the fib levels, this confidence will be different. And for these levels, you also could take either this reaction point or that one or this one. And in this case, the confidence will stand in an area between the 1365 to the 1376. So approximately, let's call it the 1370 area. That will be most probable destination point of the current retracement, depending on what statistics will be released. If it will be bad statistics, market could show a very small retracement, but if statistics will be better, first drop could be a bit deeper. So we will see. But that's the next level that we will keep an eye on. At the same time, we have some extensions on the hourly chart. This is not really very good ABCD pattern because the BC leg very small. Speaking on the initial ABCD pattern, it already has been completed. So here market hits the XOP of this initial ABC top. So now we need to consider some greater ABCD pattern, and the only that we have stands right here. COP 1390 to create an agreement with the first level, 1393. Next, major OP, AB equals CD target, creates an agreement with the 1378. So it stands very close to this second confidence and close to daily 1376 target and daily overbought. So that's the levels that we will keep an eye on. So let's see what will happen here. We will see what data will be released and what patterns will be formed, and maybe we'll consider taking the long position here, because guys, if market will reach the 1376 here, this will be a very sweet topic for taking the long position. Why? Because this will be fib level, this will be daily oversold, but simultaneously that will be the bread and butter buy setup on the daily chart. And with the target 1350, it will be almost $100 per contract, so very good entry point. So that's one of the setups that we will consider in the nearest future. So let's see what data will be released today and what direction market will follow, and then we could make the decision on the gold market. Maybe it will happen today in the morning. On the next video we will take a look at this setup as well.